Let me tell you the single most important lesson I ever learned about making money. It didn't come from a course. It didn't come from YouTube. And it definitely didn't come from school. It came from a self-made millionaire I admired growing up. At the time, I was stressed because I thought success required a brand new genius idea, something nobody had ever done before. He smiled and said, "You don't need to invent success. You just need to recognize what's already working and repeat it better." That sentence changed everything. Because the moment I stopped guessing and started studying proven systems, my side hustles stopped being experiments and started becoming real businesses. Today, I'm going to show you 7 side hustles that are already making young people over $100,000 per year right now, and I'll break each one down so you can realistically copy the path. No hype, no theory, just patterns that work. For every side hustle, I'll rate it on 3 things. 1. How long it takes to learn. 2. How much money you need to start. 3. How hard it is to reach $10,000 per month. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path fits you. Let's start. Side hustle #1, niche reselling. Most people think reselling is dead. It's all Amazon now. eBay is finished. That's completely wrong. Reselling didn't die, it specialized. The people making real money today don't sell random products. They dominate niches, collectibles, refurbished tech, gaming accessories, vintage items. Why? Because niche buyers don't shop on price, they shop on availability and trust. Why this works? Platforms already bring buyers. You don't need a brand. Demand already exists. Ratings, time to learn, 1/5 money to start, 1/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month. 2. 5/5 smart move. Start by selling unused items in your house to build feedback, cash, and confidence, then reinvest into better inventory. Side hustle #2, brand deal flipping. This is one of the quietest money machines online. Brand deal flipping means you act as the connector between brands, creators. You don't need followers. You don't need fame. You need communication skills. Brands want exposure. Creators want deals. You take a percentage for connecting them. That's it. This industry is exploding because YouTube and social media now beat traditional TV. Why it works? No inventory, no upfront cost, high margins, ratings, time to learn, 2/5 money to start, 0/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month, 2/5 reality check. Convincing people is the hardest part, but once trust is built, income scales fast. Side hustle #3, video editing. Video is no longer optional. Over 80% of internet traffic is video, and businesses that don't create content are invisible. AI hasn't killed video editing. It's made good editors more valuable. Why? AI can cut clips, but it can't feel emotion, build tension, tell a story. That's where humans win. Why this works? Skill-based income, high demand, location freedom, ratings, time to learn, 3/5 money to start, 1/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month, 3/5 beginner mistake. Don't chase fancy effects. Master pacing, storytelling, and retention. Side hustle #4, branded dropshipping. Old school dropshipping is fragile. Low trust, thin margins, constant refunds. Branded dropshipping fixes that. Instead of selling cheap products, you sell belief. Same suppliers, different positioning, better margins. People don't buy products. They buy brands they trust. Why this works? No inventory risk, scales fast, builds long-term assets, ratings, time to learn, 4/5 money to start, 1/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month, 2/5 truth. This isn't fast money, but it's sustainable money. Side hustle #5, brand identity services. Businesses don't want logos. They want recognition. Brand identity includes colors, fonts, visual systems, positioning, and companies pay serious money for it. This industry is growing into a multi-billion-dollar market. Why this works? High perceived value, few real specialists, big project payouts, ratings, time to learn, 4/5 money to start, 1/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month. 2/5 math check. 4 clients, x $2,500 equals $10, 000 month. Side hustle #6. Short form content strategy. Attention is the new currency. Businesses don't understand TikTok. Creators don't understand strategy. That gap pays extremely well. Your job? Study viral patterns. Apply them for clients, charge monthly retainers. Why this works. Huge demand, phone-only business, fast learning curve ratings. Time to learn. 1/5 money to start. 1/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month. 3/5 advanced tip. Charge a base fee plus performance bonuses. Side hustle #7. Investing. Every side hustle should feed this one. Because active income without investing keeps you stuck. Modern investing, fractional shares, low barriers, automation. It's slow, but it compounds harder than anything else. Ratings. Time to learn. 4/5 money to start. 1/5 difficulty to hit $10K/month. 4/5 truth. It's not fast, but it's freedom. Here's what all of these have in common. They're not secrets. They're not lucky. They're patterns. Success isn't invented. It's repeated. Pick one path. Stay consistent. And let time do the heavy lifting. If you want more real strategies like this, subscribe to Cashcraft Lab. Your future income depends on the moves you make today.